就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And this month we're teaching you the phrase 加油.
加油.
加油, which is kind of a cheer, to encourage people to get through something. 今天我们要来加油打气什么事情，你知道吗？
什么事？
就是有时候减肥真的是很辛苦的一件事情。Okay, so I'm going to bring you this situation where someone wants to lose weight and he or she is going to embark on an exercise routine and he's getting encouragement from, his family or his friend. Okay, 我们来听一个这样的状况。
我也下愛來去運動，也拜一定愛減肥成功。
俺有決心，俺不讓加油。
俺只說俺出發了。
要出發了，對不對？
出發了，
可能要去跑步啦，還是要去這個健身房啦，對不對？
走路啊，都可以。
Exactly. I'm about to go exercise, so let's break down these phrases one by one and explain what's going on. Okay? 第一句就是我現在要去運動，這次一定要減肥成功。I'm gonna go exercise now, and I hope I succeed in losing weight this time.
我也下愛來去運動。
我也下愛來去運動。
也拜一天愛。
也拜一天內
減肥成功，
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 好像什麼神功要來了，但是神功是成功，對不對？我現在突然想到，減肥成功
就是減肥成功。
OK， 減肥叫做
減肥。
OK， 減肥 that means to lose weight， 很好。You are very determined, and I'm going to cheer you on.
俺有決心，我會讓加油。
謝謝你，我出發了。Thank you, I'm gonna go now.
俺自說，我出發了。
Okay, 我要出發咯。I'm gonna go. All right, there you go. I guess we need to teach you some of these phrases that are useful, especially if you like to exercise or lose weight. So how do you say exercise? 運動。And then to lose weight, 減肥。減肥。And finally, hope you succeed. 希望你成功。成功怎麼說？成功。And let's hear the conversation again.
我也下愛來去運動，也拜一定愛減肥成功。
俺有決心，我會讓加油。
俺只說我出發了。
And this whole month, we're teaching you the phrase 加油, and in this situation, it means to cheer you on.
加油.
And there you have it. Hope you exercise more and lose some weight. That does it for today's Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只說張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.